with our game being able to, we can now click whatever player that we are. But now, what fun is it if you're just playing against yourself? Now we need to create the computer to play against. So first, I'm going to add, inside the Clickbox function, we're going to go player sign circle, and under active, do the same thing. Okay. I'm going to explain what those mean in a second. I just wanted to put it before I forget. All right, so down here, we're going to create our bot function. This is creating the computer for us. So the bot function, as you know, is responsible for the computer's moves. It will randomly select an empty cell and fill it in with the appropriate icon, either X or O. It will then check when the game is over, but we're first just going to create the bot first. Okay, so we're going to start off with function. Oh, we could actually use the structure. This one down here, boom, and then it creates it. So the name of the function is going to be bot, whoosh, bot, and then the parameter is going to be run bot. You remember up here we didn't create that yet. Okay. All right. Oh, we did create it right here. There you go. Let run bot equal true. Gave it the Boolean value true. Okay, good. Yes, we did create it. So function bot, run bot, we're running this. That's the parameter. All right. And so now, here's the condition. If run bot, go ahead and copy, or just type it. Copying it, make sure that it's spelled the exact same. So what this is saying is if runBot is true, which we've set it true from the beginning, if runBot is true, then we're going to player sign equal capital O and then we're going to create an array. This array is going to hold the data in the clicked boxes. I'll show you. So, okay, right here, boom. I'm going to create a loop. All of the indexes, change it to i's. And remember earlier we did all box length. Okay, and then we're going to actually, in this loop, now set a condition. If and that is all box child element count, 2 equal signs. Now this is a 0. This, in this loop, and in this condition, this is going to allow us, so let me put array dot push index. This is allowing us to insert unclicked boxes inside the array. So this array is going to keep track of boxes that are empty, which are going to end up being options for where the robot can now place their symbol, like do their move. So we got, this is the if right here, and then this is the for. This is the loop. So now under that loop, we're going to create a variable let random box, so that now the robot is going to use this to pick a random box. Random box equal, array math dot floor math dot random times array length, parentheses, square brackets, semicolon. So this is getting a random index, like a position in that array, from the array, so that the bot will select an empty space. This variable right here. And so now we're going to run this condition within the bot function. So if array dot length is greater than 0 this time, we're going to practice nesting conditions, player class list contains player then what we can do make sure I got this correct. Is go ahead and copy this, copy, and we can paste it here and replace element with all box, and now I want you to put this variable what we created, copy, paste, inner HTML, and then we got the I equals class player icon X. Make sure the X is first. So now this is going to allow them to add the X, and under player class list, instead of add, let's go remove. So then this switches the toggle. And then, like we did here, like remember up here, this is for our move. Down here, we're creating their move. Place X, save, and then again down here, copy that instead of element, all box, random box, set attribute, ID player sign. I'll leave it there for a second just so you can make sure you know, like you're caught up each thing. So just so it's clear, up here is our move, what we're able to click. Down here, it's the robot, what the robot is going to randomly put in there. That's where I was able to copy it. And then else, so we've added for the robot to be able to put the X. Now we need to put the O. So we can copy this, or the circle, and remove this player sign, delete that. All box random, inner HTML, instead of the X, it's the capital O. This will add them the circle, and here active, and here ID player sign. Good. Okay. Go ahead and go outside of this if statement. So 2 curly braces down. And then now we want to add all box random box and that style dot pointer events and none. Whoops. None. Semicolon. Good. Now on the playboard, same thing. But this time auto. And we can set the player sign to X initially. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good. So we did, okay, good. Nothing happening, right? Okay, good. So we've made the function. Now it's important to call the function. So up here, up here, let me make sure I know where to put it. Let me just do this right here. Let's check that. Bot. Run bot. Let me make sure that was the right spot. I think. Semicolon. Boom. If not, then it might be outside that. Let's see. Ah, nice. Ah! Good job, Blaine. That's what I'm talking about. All right. So yes, circle, and then just throw in the X. Right away, right away, right away. Okay. Yo, I'm pumped. Good job, Blaine. All right, so now though, really quick. So we ran that, awesome, but it's going right away. So we want to put that inside of a timer. So let's go let random delay time equal parentheses math dot random, boom, and then times, it's like 1 second right there, outside this parentheses, plus 200, and outside this parentheses dot 2 fixed. Boom. Okay, and then right here we're gonna go set time out. Set time out here equals greater than sign and curly braces. Enter that. Let's put our run bot, command X, and place it inside here. I got it. Put a comma. Random delay time. Done. Done. This should now put it on the timer. Let's check it out. Nice. Skills. Skills. All right.